Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to install Windows 11 for ARM Preview on a Mac M1 or M2, and we use the free VMware Fusion Player 13 for ARM processors. And first of all we need to download the Fusion Player 13. So I go on this link and we need to log in first on the Customer Connect, and maybe I'm already logged in. No, I'm not. I pause my video for a second. Okay, now I'm logged in. You can see it in the upper right corner. You see my short letters of my name, OG. It means Oliver Geider. And if I go to the link again, then I can download the software. And you have to ensure that you download the right one. It's just the one for, here comes my license information. I don't want to show you it. Let me check. It works, I think. There's my license. I don't want to show you. And here we can see it is VMware Fusion 13.0.2 for Intel-based and Apple Silicon Macs. So it's the right one. But I have already downloaded it. I don't need it to download anymore, and I have installed the VMware Fusion 13. I can show you here. It's for VMware Fusion 13 and it works. So we proceed with the next step. We download the Windows 11 for ARM, the preview. And I go to this link, and maybe I'm already logged in also. Yes, I am. You need to create a Microsoft account if you don't have one, and you need to register for the Windows Insider program. So only then you can download the preview. And here I'm on this site, Windows 11 on ARM Insider Preview. If I go to the selection box and choose the Canary build, because it's the newest one with the highest build number, then I press confirm, choose the only available language English, confirm, and after that I can press the download now button to download the software. I have already done it. I skipped this task and I switch to here's the VHDX file, which I have downloaded. And this file you cannot use in virtual machines in VMware Fusion directly, so we have to convert it. And I found a program called QEMU, which is exactly for that. It just converts disks in different formats. So let's take this command I find. Just a hint, you can install QEMU on a Mac with Brew, with Homebrew. Okay, on my Mac it needed 20 minutes or so, because they have to install many packages. Here on the command line I insert the command, and I just echo the command first because I want to show you something. The file name here is written with special shell stuff, and it will expand it to the input and the output file. The output is then VMDK format. And I call this command again, but without echo. And then it will start to convert. And I pause my video again. Okay, we can proceed. It has finished, and it took just a little bit less than a minute. And here you can see it just created. And now we can create our virtual machine. So I switch to VMware Fusion, press here New, and then I create a custom virtual machine, continue. I choose Windows 11 and stuff, leave this on Wi-Fi. Here I write down a password for disk encryption, I think. continue. And here I choose the use an existing virtual disk. We have to switch this part here. And then go to the button choose virtual disk. And we go to downloads. And as you can see, I can only choose the VMDK file, which we have created. Then continue, finish. And now it will copy my disk. And I will pause the video again. Okay, it's finishing copying the disk. It doesn't need so long, just 10 seconds. And now it will start the Fusion. I don't know why it needs my password, but anyway, it just starts the machine. And now it needs, I think, 1 or 2 minutes. So I pause again this video. Okay, the long stuff is done. And now let's see what happens next. There's a circle again. Maybe it has rebooted one more time. Ah yeah, just a moment. So let's have a look on the next steps again. And the VM will start now, and then we see the region page. And on that page we have to start the CMD exe because we want to bypass the internet stuff. If we do not this, we cannot go further because Windows will not allow to configure its operating system without internet connection. But we can disable this, and for that reason I press Fn Shift F10 now. Here I go into the machine, press Shift, Fn and F10, and I get this CMD window. I go to the folder OOBE, and here there is a CMD, it's called bypass NRO. Let's have a look inside, and we can see it will set us a registry key, so we can bypass the internet stuff and it will reboot then. So we just call the CMD and it just reboot the system after the change was made. We see the region page again, I think. Yes, okay. So here I choose Germany for my region. And the keyboard layout, very important. I have to choose German. Yes. And here, oh no, I don't want to add the second keyboard layout. And here, this is the point where we can skip the internet stuff, because we made the change before. I accept the license stuff. Something went wrong. That's not so nice. Try again. Okay, enter my name. I don't need the password yet. And here I will don't accept all these other stuff because it's just a demo. How to install Windows 11. Okay, this needs also a minute or two. I will pause my video again. Okay, now we see the Windows, it's finished. And all these icons, which are not complete, will be shown better if we have an internet connection. But for that, we have to install the VMware tools first. And that's not the only thing which will change if we install the VMware tools. At this moment, if I want to change here the display settings, I cannot change the resolution because I don't have the display driver not installed, and so that's why we install the VMware tools. I go to the search bar, type PowerShell, and on this icon I make a right mouse click and a left mouse click on Run as administrator, and then I change the execution policy of PowerShell. I press Tab, wait a second, and it will complete the command. And I set it to remote signed for all and exit the administrative PowerShell. Then I go on the virtual machine menu and press reinstall VMware Tools. It will insert a virtual DVD disk. I go to this disk and go to the bottom, do a right click on setup and left click on run with PowerShell. So now it will be installed. This do not need such a long time. Okay, the network driver was installed, but maybe not. Oh, it's activated. You can see it, network access. And now the display driver was installed, so the size of the window changed. And I can continue here with a key. And now let's check if we can change the display settings, the resolution. Yeah, it looks good. I go to this one. Yeah, and it works. Nice. Next steps could be install Windows updates, but I suppose there is no update because this Windows software is brand new. I hope you enjoy my video and yeah, give me a thumb up and stuff. See you next time. Bye bye.